Edo Deputy Governor Right Honorable Comrade Philip SHAIBU don dedicate in 7 years as the number 2 citizen of Edo State to Baba God and say in throw salute to Edo people for the opportunity wey dem give am to serve. SHAIBU yarn this one on Sunday for the Harvest and Thanksgiving celebration service for St. Paul Catholic Church, Airport Road, Benin City. Oga SHAIBU con talk say the last 7 years not be easy journey, but say belle dey sweet am for how Baba God don take help am for all things and say im go remain grateful to Baba God. SHAIBU comes to talk say anytime he look back, in dey see am say na God dey preserve im life and say he na one man wey dey fear God with so much commitment and say God be the glory for all wey he don achieve today and he know say Baba God dey take am go somewhere.
I want to thank God for life and thank God for all the successes we've recorded in the past 7 years and thanking him profusely and happily with the good health that he has given me and all that I've accomplished in 7 years. It's not been an easy journey, but I'm happy and grateful to God because in all things God has said we should consistently give him all the praise and honor. So for me, 7 years of honor to God, 7 years of glory to God, 7 years of God's favor in my life. And I'm happy to be alive because looking back, God actually has preserved my life. With what I've seen from the beginning and what I'm seeing now, God has really preserved my life because I'm very innocent in everything that I do. I do with the fear of God and commitment. So I'm happy, excited. To God be the glory in everything that's achieved. To him be the glory for where we are today and where we are going tomorrow. Because he is the only one that knows the end from the beginning. And only him will continue to glorify and thank. So 7 years of peace, 7 years of joy, 7 years of experience, 7 years of prosperity, 7 years of greatness. And I pray that the remaining 1 year that is left will be full of joy and happiness. And I thank God for the next step that He's taking me.
Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojesoli, TMC TV News.